July is also a fantastic month to stay up late and observe the Milky Way, as the Earth is tipped toward the galactic core and we can see it stretching across the sky in the northern hemisphere. July 1st, close approach of Venus and Mars. You've probably noticed, Venus is really bright right now, no spoilers, but more on that later this month. This also means it will be super obvious to see when Venus and Mars appear close together in the sky. Radiant Venus and dusty Mars have been creeping closer together lately, and will appear at their closest about 3 degrees 33 minutes apart in the constellation Leo on the evening of July 1st. July 7th, close approach of the Moon and Saturn. With the Moon waning as the month marches on, your next best bet to spot some of the celestial dance in our solar system happens on the night of July 7th. Overnight, the Moon, 75% illuminated, will appear quite close to Saturn, only about 2 degrees 25 minutes apart. Look for the pair in the constellation Aquarius and in the southeastern sky if you stay up late to spot them. July 9th, Venus at greatest brightness. As already hinted, Venus is real bright. You can't say you haven't seen it. This is because Venus is reaching its greatest brightness on July 9th. This is called its greatest brightness in the 2023 evening apparition, which is to say, the brightest Venus will be in the evening sky before it starts to swing back toward the Sun and eventually appear in the morning skies again. July 11th, close approach of the Moon and Jupiter. For another planet-gazing opportunity, the Moon next meets giant Jupiter in the constellation Aries. The pair will appear just 2 degrees 3 minutes apart on the evening of July 11th. They should both be easy to spot with the unaided eye, as Jupiter is always bright and the Moon will be 26% illuminated. July 21st, close approach of the Moon and Mars. After dancing with Venus, the Moon then wants to be close to Mars too. The pair will appear at their closest on the morning of July 21st. While their moment of closest visual approach, just 2 degrees 57 minutes apart, will occur during the day, you can spot them near each other in the pre-dawn hours, as well as just after sunset. July 22nd, Pluto at opposition. For those not familiar with the term opposition, it means that Pluto and the Sun will be opposite of one another, with the Earth in between, kind of like the alignment of an eclipse over huge distances. The Sun will brightly illuminate Pluto, making it a great time to view everyone's favorite dwarf planet. July 28th, peak of the Piskis Austrinid meteor shower. The first in a trio of meteor showers that round out the month, the Piskis Austrinid meteor shower will peak on the night of July 28th into the 29th. As its name implies, this shower can be seen lower in the southeastern sky of the southern hemisphere. July 29th, Mercury reaches its evening peak. After reaching its morning peak in June, Mercury has swung around the Sun and now appears in the evening sky for us. It will reach its highest in the sky around July 29th, just 11 degrees above the western horizon. Mercury is truly tiny. July 30th, peak of the southern Delta Aquarid and Alpha Capricornid meteor showers. 2 more meteor showers provide the final good stargazing and meteor spotting opportunities of July, and both peak on the night of July 30th. The first is the southern Delta Aquariids. Better viewed from the southern hemisphere, or further south on the northern hemisphere, you can expect to see a maximum of around 25 meteors per hour. Look for the constellation Aquarius in the southeastern sky to try and identify the radiant point. The second meteor shower on this night is the Alpha Capricornid, a much less active shower with an expected maximum rate of 5 meteors per hour. The constellation Capricornus will be in the south-southeastern sky, not far from Aquarius. It'll be hard to tell which meteors belong to which shower, but together they create the prospects for an interesting night. Hope you will enjoy the July 2023 astronomy events. If you enjoyed watching the video, do give us a like, also share the same with astronomy lovers. And subscribe to our channel, Secrets of Space, for astronomy updates. Thank you for watching.